Okay, so today we're going to be talking about linear equations, and usually you see linear equations in y equals mx plus b form. The m stands for the slope, the b stands for the y-intercept. Now, sometimes it won't be written like this, but in order to do that, you'd want to just get the original equation into y equals mx plus b form, solve for y. Just get y by itself, and then that should work out. Now, we're going to do some equations with parallel lines today, and one of the keys here is that parallel lines have to have the same slope, so exactly the same number for your m. Now, your line's going to have a different y-intercept. So to find your y-intercept, usually these lines go through a point, which will give you an x and a y value. So you plug in an x, you plug in a y, you already have your m, and then you just need to solve for your b. So for this first example right here, we need a line that passed through the point negative 2, 3, and is parallel to y equals 3/2 x minus 4. So what we're starting with is we're going to have something that is of the form y equals 3/2 x plus b. And we got to figure out what the b is. So right off the bat, get out of here, choice 1, choice 2. Not even close, you got the wrong slope. Try again. So what we want to do now is plug in the x, plug in the y. So x is negative 2, y is 3. So we have 3 equals 3/2. X is negative 2 plus b. So we do this, we get negative 3 plus b equals 3. Add 3 to both sides, and you get that b equals 6, which means our equation is y equals 3/2 x plus 6, or choice 4. Likewise, we're going to do the same thing over here, except the problem is it's not in y equals form right here. So we have to get it to y equals form. So what we're going to do here is solve for y. So I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides, and then we get 2y equals negative 3x plus 8, and then divide everything by 2. So the original equation that we're starting with is y equals negative 3 over 2 x plus 4, which means the equation that we want, since it's parallel to it, will have the same slope, and it'll be y equals negative 3/2 x plus whatever our y-intercept is. So again, see you later 1, see you later 2. You're not useful to us right now. What we want to do, we plug in this x and y up here, where x is 2 and y is negative 1. So we have negative 1 equals negative 3 over 2 times 2 plus b. And you get negative 1 equals negative 3 plus b. Add 3 to both sides. We get that b equals 2. And our equation is y equals negative 3/2 x plus 2. Choice 4 again.